And welcome back everybody to another episode of Joey's Garage. We are here in the garage and I am excited to announce the newest addition to the garage. I can't wait to show you. So, without further ado, it is a brand new 8-in-1 electric smoker that's pellet driven, or pellet fan. This thing is amazing. It's by the brand Pit Boss, which looked pretty good in the store, but we're going to test it out and find out how to set it up and what kind of quality smoked meats we can get. So to set up this grill, this should be pretty simple and straightforward. Go ahead and open the box up, which this thing is just absolutely huge. But from what I saw in the store, this thing is a mammoth size grill. Doesn't look like I have barely any kind of setup. I'm guessing just the legs, because it's laying flat, and a couple trim pieces, but that does not look bad. That's going to be an easy setup. This company really made it simple. I'm guessing this is going to make it super easy to actually get this grill out and set up. Oh, nice. Look at that. They thought of everything. That box just came apart with one seam. Man, I'm very surprised with the quality and ideas of this company. Look at that. This bad boy, instruction manual. Don't want to lose this. And it comes with a 5-year warranty. That is just absolutely amazing. I saw it around here somewhere. It was on the side of the box. Oh, here it is too. 5-year warranty on this bad boy. Just slide right out. Let's see what's inside. This is going to be an easy build. Because I can tell you, I've put together some pretty complicated grills. And yep, looks like we have some pieces. That's going to be for like the legs and the wheels. Put that aside. We have some handles. We have some wheels. Let's see here. A hinge it looks like. And we have the bottom piece. Nice. See, now that we got all the pieces, whoa. Found a couple more. They're stashed inside. I'm about ready to start assembling everything, but we got a little bit more. These weights. Get this foam out to make a little bit more room. And we can get these pieces out. Got some grates. Man, this thing just keeps on moving. It's like opening up a huge Christmas present. Things just keep rolling out, and rolling out, and rolling out. Almost. Whew. Keeps coming. But I need to get all these pieces out so it's not super heavy when I get those legs on, which I just found. We got some legs, grease bucket, another leg. And that's it. Finally, that is everything that you need to put this smoker together. A lot of it underneath, everything else was right inside the grill. So let's get this thing put together and see how easy it is. So the first step to getting this all put together is I need to get the wheels on. And luckily, these two legs are super simple. They got two little ports right here on two of them. Two of them, they don't. So that's pretty easy. These are going to go under the firebox area, and these are going to go on the front end of the grill. So to put them together, all I have to do is get this big I-beam bolt, put it on top. There's a washer that goes on top of that, and this little clamp. And that is it. This wheel is put together. Same thing with the second one. I'm going to put this bolt through. Looks like it doesn't matter which way you put it for the wheel. On goes this O-ring or washer. And then same thing. On goes this retaining clip. And there we go. Wheels put together, and these legs are ready to be put onto the grill. And the installation of the legs is just as easy as that. Screwing in 4 screws. This is really nice to put together. All the parts are really simple. And it's just a matter of looking at it, following the instructions, and going step by step. This is as easy as that. I'm hand tightening them first because I want to cross thread them and muck up the threads. Once I get it in, come back with the screwdriver and hand tighten them down. My guess is you don't need to torque these down a whole crazy bunch. It has those lock washers on there, and it has the regular washer, so you're going to get good contact with the body of the grill. And it's going to be stable. And now with the legs on, it is ready to stand up by itself for the first time. So I'm just going to tip it right back on over. Next to be installed is the lid stopper. And this one is pretty easy because the screw's already attached. Nice. Too bad they couldn't have done that for the feet too. That would have saved a lot of time. But putting those screws together. Well, you can't ask for it all. So that one just goes out. Looks like it just goes in and down. And the screw goes right back on. As easy as that. This thing has just been a dream to put together. Very super easy. So the handle goes on next. And again, the screws were already on the piece. Nothing to look for. All I need to do is take them off, put on the screw. I'm just going to tighten it a little bit so I can get this other one started, and I'll be able to tighten them up. Now the side shelf goes on the same exact way as the legs, just with the screw, a locking washer, and a regular washer. This one's a little bit more tricky just because you're working underneath the shelf. And on goes the chimney. So one minor correction. When I was installing that cap, I noticed that it was a little bit loose and there is a bit of a gap between the chimney and the grill. And what did I realize? I forgot the gasket. So I made a mistake. I'm going to take this chimney off, but now that should fix my problem and my concern that there was going to be a gap right between there and I couldn't get a solid temperature. Now I'm going to put on the mounting bracket for the front shelf. And interestingly, this just gets screws. No washers and no lock washers. And next goes the front shelf. And same as the last one, just a couple fasteners, and it goes right in. Next goes the main broiler. piece. Very interesting, you can tell the manufacturer really cares about their product because it came grease. And that's because it's going to protect the metal during manufacturing and during storage. So I know that's not going to rust or be rusted when it comes out to the consumer. Comes this little piece, and it just slides. It'll allow you to control the temperature, and if you want to sear, you can just put it in the back. There we go. That's installed. And grate number 2. Awesome. And there we go. About an hour and a half in the garage. This thing went together super simple. Very easy to put together. I'm hands down impressed with the assembly of this. So now I'm going to be able to grill, barbecue, bake, char grill, sear, braise, roast, and smoke. That's going to be the one I cannot wait to do. You might not know, but I used to be on a barbecue team doing ribs, brisket, that kind of thing. But as we got busy, the team fell apart and we moved away. But now, I get to do it again. I'm excited. This thing is going to be so super easy. Electric, all you do is set it and you can forget it and get on with other type of chores, other type of projects. So, but that's going to be next time. It's already gone long enough. So until then, ride safe, drive safe, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.